Hey everybody, it's Dr. Pink Gaming here, and we're back for another week of Premium Reset Wednesday. So let's get started. Alright. Villainous or Villain's Royal Tools. Queen of Hearts Shovel. Wait, let's look at this a little closer. That's cute. I guess it just looks like a heart. Sea Witch Watering Can. Maleficent Hourglass. This is actually really pretty. Hook Fishing Pole. Is this confirmed that Hook is going to eventually come to the game? It's been rumored. I think he's coming. Evil Queen Pickaxe. Ooh, I like that. Apple. That poison apple at the bottom. DeVille Phone. You think she's coming to the game? I can definitely see that. That would be fun. I feel like she would have a really good commentary. I heard that this was coming. I think I saw like somebody talking about it, not what they looked like, but these are really nice. I don't think it's something that I would make use of, but I do like it. Wilted Flower Cottage. That's pretty. It could be pretty for fall. It has like fall colors. And where did the leaf fall from? Just the branch or that flower? Oh, it actually did fall from the flower? Of course it did. This is cute. I don't think I would use it. Also, I'd be curious, like the bottom is such a bright green. Does it stay like that whenever you put it in different biomes? Because it could look odd against the other types of grasses, maybe. But this is cool. Ooh, that's pretty. I love the lights on the branches. This would be nice with Tinkerbell's house. You're right. I'm right. We knew this was coming. We had heard about this, the Haunted Gazebo. This would be nice. It's only 1,500 moonstones. It has kind of a black cat situation at the top. What else? Is there anything else about it? I thought that there were maybe webs or something. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, I see all the webs. Very Halloween with the black cat. This is cute. I don't think I would... Well, maybe I would spend my money on it, but it depends on how many moonstones I get from my Dream Snap. If I have enough. But I love buying the gazebos because they're really useful to decorate with. Alright. Villainous Elegance Gown. This is really pretty. This is really pretty. I like this. It's only 1,200 moonstones. I would wear this. This would be really cool for some Halloween Dream Snaps. Villainous Elegance Necklace. It's also really pretty. And gloves. Oh, gloves. I thought it was just gonna change your nails, but this is really pretty too. I like this outfit a lot. I could definitely see myself rocking this, especially for October. And then they brought back the Pooh Loungefly backpack bundle, which I already bought, and I'm really happy that I did. Surprised that they did it 2 weeks in a row though. Do they ever do that? I haven't noticed that before, but yeah, maybe they're just really pushing the Loungefly and they want people to use their moonstones on it. I think it's cute. It was worth it for me. Limited time deals. The Haunted Mansion bundle. Oh, so it comes with two different ones. The Haunted Mansion and the Haunted Before Christmas Mansion. So it's down from $375 to 3,000 moonstones. I really want to get this. I might have to buy some moonstones this week. Let's see the Christmas version. This is really pretty. I love those floating candles. I like the Christmas one the best, honestly, but both are awesome. I see a lot of people doing some really cool builds with these. Pride Lands backpack set with a hyena backpack. This is not a part of the Loungefly though, so I think they already had these. Or maybe I saw this, like a picture of this leaked online. And the Cheerful Baboon backpack. I don't think I would make use out of these. I do like the backpacks. I think there's mixed reviews on them just because they're hard to show off because they're behind you. But I don't think I would make use out of these. They're on sale though. $1,200. Yeah, hard to show off for dream snaps. I mean, there's definitely ways to do it though. Just gotta get creative. Okay, so these are the Haunted Mansions. This one is the Christmas one. I really love all the lights. 2 days till Christmas. Till Xmas. I really like this. And it's basically just a square. It's quite big. You can place stuff right up against it. I love all the Jack Skellington jack-o'-lanterns. And then this is the regular Haunted Mansion. I would really like to put this in my Blade of Trust. I think it would look really pretty in there next to all my Tiana stuff. But I prefer the Christmas version, obviously, because I really prefer the Christmas version just because it's more Christmassy. There's much more to it. It's really pretty and has more personality to it. I think this would look really nice in my Glade of Trust next to all my Tiana, especially with this climbing vines and all the greenery. Looks really nice. I love my Villainous Elegant outfit. I have it on now with the gloves and necklace. Can't really see the gloves too much because they're hiding in this tool. But here they are when I'm walking. I can definitely see trying to implement this in some fun dream snaps, and it was definitely worth it for me. All right, let's go check out the new Dream Snap challenge. Your favorite bag, interesting because I just made the comment about the backpacks. Outfit challenge. What's your favorite bag accessory in Dreamlight Valley? Put together an outfit that perfectly shows it off. So it might be a good week to buy the bags if you were really interested in them because they were on a discount and use them in this Dream Snap. I think I'll probably plan on using one of my new ones, or you can use the code to get the Mickey Loungefly, the ghost one that's supposed to light up when it turns evening. So it would be a really good time to utilize that. Overall, I think it was a really great week for the premium shop. I'm definitely glad that the Haunted Mansion houses came back on a deal so that I could get them just in time for Halloween. I think the tool set is pretty cool too. I just don't really want to spend the money on it right now, but I'm excited to see others use it. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!